Jacqueline Murray living. It's a beautiful day today in Massachusetts, and we're going to be doing the Memorial Day decoration for the porch. We're going to take all the spring decorations and then decorate for Memorial Day. So let's get going. I'm going to remove the outdoor carpet and the doormat to start sweeping the floor. I live in a coastal town in Massachusetts, and we get a lot of sand in my neighborhood. Also, we have a cranberry box behind my house, and they're under construction, renovating them. So we have a lot of sand, so I have to sweep the floor very often. I'm going to use the same outdoor rug that I had for spring because it has blue and white, so it matches the memorial theme colors. Please comment below and let me know if you decorate your house for Memorial Day. I love decorating for the 4th of July and also Memorial Day. And I think in this house, because my door has a beautiful red color, the decorations will match very nicely with the color of the door. I'm going to hang across the door a nice banner that has red and white stripes and blue and white stars. And now I'm going to hang in the middle of the door the Decor mesh wreath that I made for Memorial Day. If you want to see how I made this wreath, please watch my video on how to make this wreath. Please comment below and let me know what you think about the decoration so far. But don't go anywhere because we still need to put a few more touches. On the side wall, I'm going to add a metal basket, and I put some flowers inside the metal basket. It's very easy to make this arrangement. I put a styrofoam at the bottom of the basket, and then I put all the flowers inside. And now I'm going to touch them up to make sure that all they look very nicely arranged. Then I'm going to add some little flags to the arrangement. I'm going to hang some patriotic fans that I got at Amazon to cover the nails that I used to hang the banner. So I don't leave any marks in the wall. I'm going to use the Velcro command strips, and I'm going to put them together like this. And I'm going to attach one to the wall and the other one to this. The patriotic fans complement very nice the banner, and at the same time they cover the nails that I used to hang the banner. And now we're going to add decorations to the potted plants. I'm going to add some patriotic metal stars to the plants. These ones I got them at the dollar store. I'm going to also add 2 small American flags to the pots. As you can see, it's kind of windy today. I hope that my decorations they don't get blown away by the wind. Let me know what you think so far about the decorations. And now we're going to move to the front of the house to hang a beautiful garden flag that I got at Amazon, and of course the American flag. hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed decorating for Memorial Day. If you are a subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you are a new visitor, thank you for visiting, and I hope that you subscribe. I have a lot of videos coming up with more decorations. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope you join me next time in Jacqueline Marie Living. See you then.